Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare the Tesla Roadster versus the Trackhawk. We'll explore how these two incredibly fast machines, despite their vastly different designs, both push the boundaries of automotive performance. From their powertrains to their practicality, we'll break down what makes each vehicle unique and who they are designed for. When it comes to raw speed, the Tesla Roadster is designed to redefine expectations. It can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 1.9 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 250 miles per hour. The Trackhawk, a supercharged SUV, is no slouch either, achieving 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds and a top speed of 180 miles per hour. The Roadster's electric powertrain delivers over 1,000 horsepower, while the Trackhawk's V8 engine produces 707 horsepower. Beyond speed, these vehicles offer distinct practicalities. The Tesla Roadster features a sleek, aerodynamic design with 2+2 seating and a removable glass roof for an open-air experience. In contrast, the Trackhawk is a robust SUV, comfortably seating 5 passengers and offering over 36 cubic feet of cargo space. The Roadster boasts an impressive 620-mile electric range, while the Trackhawk's supercharged engine delivers around 13 miles per gallon combined. Considering the price, the Tesla Roadster is anticipated to start at approximately $200,000, placing it firmly in the supercar category. The Jeep Trackhawk, while still a premium performance vehicle, had a starting price of around $91,665. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize ultimate electric performance and range or a powerful, versatile SUV with significant towing capacity. And speaking of making things easy, check out the link in the description for those leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.